Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I know it's been a really long while since I have posted a video. So I apologize for not posting videos as often as I'd like to because I don't get any kind of income for it. But I have been requested a lot to do an eyebrow tutorial. I'm not the greatest at eyebrows, but I am going to I'm sorry, I can't even talk. I'm going to attempt to try and get this eyebrow to look like this one. And really at this moment, this is pretty much how I do my eyebrows. Nothing too fancy, just pretty basic. And I guess this is going to be a two-part video because I'm going to be getting into Orange You Glad by ColourPop. And it has a cute pastel to very neon orange pigment. And usually I don't like chunky glitter, but this one is really nice. And I'll go ahead and swatch them real quick. The first one is Zested, and then Squeeze Me, Creamsicle, and Rise and Grind. The next four, this one is Clementine, and that's that chunky glitter. And then Sunkiss, Tangerine Dreams, Mimosa Mommy, I think. And then I'm just gonna get my thumb, and it says You Kill Me. As you can see, the chunky glitter one actually pastes on very well, and it stays in place. I don't know what type of glitter that they use, but usually I break out with glitter, and this one is okay on my skin. Okay, I think the first color today we're going to dip into is Zest, and that is the top left corner. And we're going to go ahead and just start with the inner corner, working our way outwards. It's a bit powdery. You do pick up a lot of product from the pan, and I'm barely touching it. I don't mind it too much. I mean, as long as it's still in the pan, I can still use it. The that I want to dip into is called Creamsicle, and we're going to put that just kind of below where we put Zested. The next color that I want to go ahead and go in with is Rise and Grind, and we're going to put that right into the crease and blend it in a back and forth motion. Next color that I kind of want to go in with is You Peel Me, and I'm going to kind of dab that on the outside and work my way in. Like a very dark brown, but it seems to just come out a very orange. It's still kind of dark, but not as dark as I thought it'd be. Then I'm gonna get Yapilmi and kind of just drag it out underneath, just into the crease. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and do a crease cut. Go back in with that color Yapilmi and kind of blend it in where I put that crease cut. Go ahead and go in with Tangerine Dream. I'm just gonna go ahead and stamp that on. Get a little bit of the same color on my finger and just go ahead and dab it on my lid just to brighten out the color. That we're gonna go in with is Squeeze Me. And we're just going to dab that onto the corner lid. The same color, and just apply it on the inner corner lid just to brighten up the color. Okay, now that we have the shadow on, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some complexion products real quick, and I'll be right back. Now that we have our complexion product on, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with eyeliner and just go under the top lash. Go ahead and go in with the Lady Gaga House Labs liner. Just a tidbit bothered, you can see it on this eye. When I applied the liner, usually it does not bleed, but this time it decided to bleed into the shimmer up above, so I'm gonna go and try and fix that. I don't think I'm gonna do like a wing liner, so I went ahead and dipped into Clementine and added it in the corner. I tried with a brush at first just to see what it would do. It was like literally falling everywhere all over my face, so it is definitely easier if you just use your finger. Off with adding it right next to that shimmer, and like I'm patting it on all the way out to the wing. Under lash line, first color we're gonna go in with is Yapilmi. I'm gonna kind of bring that into the center. Go in with is Sunkissed, and we're gonna start in the center and then go towards the inner corner. For lash line, we're gonna go ahead and go in with Squeeze Me. And then for an inner corner highlight, I just went in with Tangerine Dreams and then dabbed that in the corner. With a small brush, I'm just gonna dab Clementine right in the corner. Okay, now to the J Star Brain Freeze palette, I'm gonna use Gold Breaker and Cocky. And put that on the bridge and tip. With a smaller brush, I'm going to go right under the brow just for a brow highlight. Go with the lip liner Midnight Kiss from Kylie Cosmetics. Used True Brown K and what is this one? Little Sunshine. But this is the finished look. If you enjoyed the video and you enjoyed the look, go ahead and leave a like and subscribe, and I'll definitely catch you guys later. Bye!